The first ingredient in our beaker in this formulation is ethanol, as we are creating a hand sanitizer spray. Next, we will add a small amount of purified water. Next, we will add a small amount of glycerin to help opacify the final solution. Now, we will be pre-mixing our HydroSal BKC with our SalScent technology. Our HydroSal BKC technology is encapsulated benzalkonium chloride, which is a disinfectant, and the encapsulation will help extend the release of that active. And the reason that we're mixing it with our SalScent technology is that the benzalkonium chloride has a bit of a nasty smell, and the SalScent can help to mask that, as well as solubilize the ingredient itself within the final formulation. Now that this mixture is uniform, we will add it. Now that all of our ingredients have been added together, we will check the pH and adjust if necessary, and this hand sanitizer spray is ready to go. This is our hand sanitizer spray formulation. As you can see, it is pretty watery, as any spray would be. It is not quite clear, but it is almost clear with a little bit of cloudiness. And this is how you would apply it to the skin. Just a few spritz, and then gently rub it in between your hands. And the extended release should help protect you for many hours.